What's going on, guys? This is Gabe here, bringing you back another haircut tutorial. Today we have a mid-drop fade to get through, so let's jump straight into it. Now to attack the fade, we will be hitting it with a rose gold FX trimmers, and we're going to be contouring the side of the head and making sure we dropping the fade towards the back. Remember, this is a mid-drop fade, not a mid-fade, not a mid-high fade, a mid-drop fade. So we're going to make sure we're keeping it low towards the back. And just to clean everything up, make sure you hit it with your foil shavers, getting rid of all those stubbles and keeping everything nice and clean. And to create your next guideline, grab your number 1 guard and go up about a quarter inch. Following the same line you just created, just go up right above it. Instantly after that, you grab your half guard and you attack that number 1 guideline you just created and you soften it up. Softening this up will make it a lot easier once you hit it with a no guard to completely erase it. Now to start blending everything together, you're gonna grab your 1.5 guard and you're gonna hit your bulk line. Hitting your bulk line is gonna soften everything up. Doesn't matter what guard is on top. My client here didn't want no trim on top, so we didn't start with that. We usually always start with scissors first. We like to do the technique first. We like shaping up the head first, but today he decided he didn't want nothing on top, so we're blending in the sides with the number 4 and a 1.5 guard. Here you see me have the 1 guard after hitting it with the 1.5, and that's pretty much softening up everything up, and creating blend. After this, we hit it with a half guard to pretty much completely erase that line we just softened up, and from there pretty much a C cup and then it's 9 up. But I'm gonna keep going as we go on with the video. But as you see, we're playing with the half guard here, open and close, going up. Remember, as we go up we open it, as we go down we close it. Just keep that in mind. So before moving into any detail work, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna create the C cup on our haircut. Creating our C cup now is gonna assure us that we're not gonna go ahead and line up some spots that we don't want to lighten up when we're doing our detail work. We want to keep the C cup as dark as possible but as natural as possible. We want a naturally enhanced haircut without making it look a little odd, without making it look patchy. Remember that we want a natural enhancement here. Now that you have both sides of the fade completed, make sure you move on to your lineup. I usually start my lineups from the middle and then move on from the side to side. You guys can start from the sides, but I recommend you guys start from the middle. That way you guys know where your baseline is and where exactly are you guys gonna connect the sides to. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. My bad if I couldn't get a better video of the finished product or the other side. I completely forgot to record the other side. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But this is how the fade's looking. If you guys like it, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys in the next one.